Best deals.
1. Casserole. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving 85% of nutrients. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Prevents burning of food up to 90%. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Casserole typically has a wide and deep shape with sloping sides, providing ample space for cooking larger quantities of food. The shape allows for easy stirring, mixing, and even heat distribution. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Spice box. Has easy closing and airtight lid retaining aroma freshness with break-resistant transparent see-through acrylic glass. Box is rust-resistant and has a smooth mirror finish. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Pizza cutter. Equipped with a smooth rotating slicer cutter, this pizza cutter steel effortlessly glides through thick crusts and delicate parathas alike. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Strainer. Achieve perfect crispy results with our stainless steel deep fry net spoon. Perfect for frying utensil you need for frying up your favorite French fries, pakoda, bhajia, puri, fish, vegetables, meats and more. The deep fry strainer concave mesh is strong and supported with a strong pipe that won't bend or get way. It's made from premium quality food grade stainless steel with a straining spoon. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cookware. Are designed to provide even heat distribution, ensuring your food is cooked thoroughly and evenly. This feature helps you achieve perfect cooking results. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Scrubbing pad. Made of food-grade stainless steel fibers, these scrub pads are highly durable and can withstand heavy scrubbing without breaking or deteriorating. The versatile scrubber clothes are suitable for cleaning dishes, pans, utensils, countertops, appliances and more. The stainless steel material is firm enough for tough jobs but won't scratch or damage surfaces like plastic or ceramic. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cooker. Innovative click-on mechanism ensures secure closure and effortless opening. The lid cannot be opened until internal pressure is fully released, preventing accidents. Constructed from thick, food-grade virgin aluminum for even heat distribution. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Water dispenser. Is equipped with a high-capacity 1200 mAh battery, ensuring an extended operational lifespan. With this long-lasting battery, you can trust that the pump will reliably serve your water dispensing needs, reducing the hassle of frequent recharging, and is constructed from food-grade raw materials. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Choppers. The non-skid feet on this mandolin fold in for compact storage and it is dishwasher safe for your convenience. There are julienne, slice and waffle cutting options with 4 slicing thicknesses that vary from 1 mm, 3.5 mm, 5.5 mm and 7.5 mm. The folding handle and non-slip feet of the vegetable slicer make it comfortable to use and easy to fold and store. The blade does not require extra space for storage and is super easy to clean under running water. The blades are integrated into the machine. Blade selection and thickness are adjusted with the turn of a dial on the side of the mandolin. This allows for safe transition between blades, as your fingers never have to touch sharp edge. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Dish rack. Dual-layer dish drying rack features a stylish modern streamlined design effortlessly adding contemporary feeling to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Drainer. Made of selected stainless steel materials, environmentally friendly, safe, healthy, durable, not easy to damage, and high quality. The 3 feet make the placement more stable. The sink basket can not only be used to filter food and debris, wash vegetables and fruits, but also can be used as a texture for storing sponges, dishwashing brushes and soap. Basket is very suitable for washing fruits and vegetables in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Basket. Sturdy steel mesh wall construction, Creative Fruit Centerpiece is a great decorative fruit basket for your dining room table, adding a simplistic and sleek modern touch to your home decor while safely storing your fruit. Perfect for you as a daily use. Made of premium stainless steel mesh by Handmade, tight, sturdy and durable, wide and open design, keeps fruit vegetable fresh, best and effortless to clean. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Bucket Mop is made up with virgin PP makes it strong, durable and lightweight. This aesthetically designed bucket made of high-grade plastic is light, durable and easy to use. It saves lot more water than any other product. It is up to 90% labor-reducing mop. The spin mop set with bucket comes with a long sturdy telescopic handle and an easy-to-move bucket. The handle allows a 360-degree movement to reach all nooks and corners. The Easy Mop for floor cleaning comes with 2 microfiber refills which has good water absorption capacity, big in size, and heavy in weight. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cloth. Made from 100% pure cotton for a durable, breathable, and reusable cloth that stands up to frequent use. Free from synthetic fibers and chemicals. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Jars are BPA and lead-free, therefore they are healthy. The jar comes with a see-through window helping to identify inside contents easily. It comes with a steady lid to seal the freshness of your stored dry fruits. The container set is freezer and dishwasher safe, so you can store food in the freezer and wash it with any dishwasher. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Coffee Machine. Freshly grinds beans for every cup with adjustable grind size for espresso and other brews. 20-bar high-pressure pump ensures optimal extraction, delivering cafe-style espresso with rich aroma and creamer. Brew espresso, double espresso, americano, cold brew, hot water, and steam for versatile coffee making. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Kettle. The 800 ml size is ideal for personal brewing, smaller servings and daily use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Chopper. Designed to fit even the coziest kitchens, the Pixie Chopper delivers powerful performance in a compact footprint, perfect for busy lifestyles and small space living. From chopping onions to grinding spices, the intuitive one-touch controls and smart blade system make everyday prep fast, easy, and stress-free. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Plates. Made with the proprietary biocomposite technology with good durability. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Soup Maker. 6-in-1 multifunctional soup maker helps to make vegetable juices, milkshakes, smoothies, milks, cocktails, baby purees and more. 6 preset cooking functions: smooth, chunky, compote, jam, reheat, blend. Automatic blending and heating. High-speed extraction blade with stainless steel blades makes fresh soup within 25 minutes whenever you want. Its smart processing system extracts the full nutritional value from each grain, ensuring that no vitamin or mineral ever goes to waste. Comes with 900 watts powerful copper motor. One-touch operation. Simply add your ingredients, then press the start button. The soup maker heats, boils, blends and mixes automatically to give you a perfect, tasty and healthy soup within 20 minutes. Select the function of your choice, make chunky or smooth soups, blend beverages and drinks, or choose to clean your appliance with minimal intervention. Just add chopped vegetables and water, select the function of consistency as per your choice, and your soup will be ready in a jiffy. No need to stir and monitor. The soup maker retains all essential fibers inside your soup, thus enhancing your family's health quotient. With an elegant touch control panel, program indicator lights, audio notifications, intelligent control systems which prevent dry burning and an overfill sensor, this soup maker is fully equipped to give you a delightful experience. Food-grade stainless steel jug and blades provide complete food safety and a strong body, which will last for a long time. Create smooth or chunky soups, blend ingredients, make drinks and clean the unit easily. Spice up your dish and elevate its flavor by adding ingredients during the cooking process. Stainless steel construction ensures durable and longevity for both the jug and blade. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Cutter. Quickly slice perfect French fries and veggie sticks in one easy motion. You simply place the potato in the middle of the grate and push down with the blade for ideal-sized French fry slices. The pop-out pusher includes a removable grid for easy cleaning while the clear container holds produce. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Stacker. Designed for easy installation and hassle-free organizing of your clothes. It also has a smart easy-to-slide design and helps to easily reorganize. Made from the most durable materials for long-lasting use. Ideal for organizing shirts, sweaters, and other clothing items in your closet. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Cutting board. Features a stainless steel pull-out tray for easy collection and transfer of chopped ingredients, reducing kitchen mess and hassle. Eco-friendly wooden kitchen tool with natural resistance to stains, odors, and moisture, designed for long-lasting, hygienic food prep. Equipped with non-slip feet and ergonomic side handles for safe, stable use and easy carrying around your kitchen, offers sufficient space for everyday chopping, slicing, and food preparation tasks. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Scissors. Chop herbs quickly and uniformly with 5 sharp stainless steel blades that cut your prep time in half. Premium stainless steel blades, durable, rust-resistant blades ensure long-lasting sharpness and easy, clean cuts. Protective blade cover included for safe storage in drawers and kitchen organizers. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Casseroles. With double-walled stainless steel lid, keeps food hot and fresh for hours. Made from durable quality steel. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Dish rack. Is made of high-grade stainless steel with a layer of nickel chromium which gives it a mirror finish. The mirror finish by nickel chrome coating on this dish drying rack keeps it rust-proof and corrosion-free. Comes with a removable spoon, knife holder tub and water collection tray made up of ABS plastic. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Teapot. Unbreakable build helps you to use this teapot without worrying about breaking it. Premium grade stainless steel construction ensures this teapot won't break easily like your glass or porcelain pots. A removable tea infuser helps you to brew your tea easily. Just drop the tea leaves in the infuser basket and let it brew. The ample 1.2-liter capacity allows you to make 4 to 5 cups of tea in one go. Custom designed pointy spout shape helps you to pour your tea very easily, and your tea will end up exactly where you want to pour it. Moreover, you will enjoy your tea mess-free and spill-free. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Kitchen sink. Pull-down spray faucet with 3 versatile spray modes allows long reach, and the high arc 360-degree swivel spout supply full range of washing access, allows extra flexibility. Sprayer head always retract back to spout after each use. Integrated double ledge is great for sliding accessories and allows you to work different tasks at the same time, including cutting foods, washing a small load of dishes, draining foods, cooling foods in isolated water. Streamlining everything from meal prep to cleanup, saving valuable counter space. It is easy to control water temperature and water volume, and switch water flow style by rotating a knob. The matte nano coating surface will not have water stains, wipe clean for easy maintenance. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Aroma diffuser. Elevate your home with this electric aroma diffuser for home, featuring a stunning rain cloud design that blends modern sophistication with functionality. Not just a humidifier, it transforms your space by releasing a fragrant mist with 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil, enhancing relaxation and improving indoor air quality. Perfect for creating a serene and stylish atmosphere. 7 different changing LED lights create a calming ambience with this oil diffuser for home, featuring 7 gentle LED light options to suit your mood. Easily adjust the colors with the light button or set it to a steady glow or changing cycle. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Popcorn Maker Machine. This electric popcorn maker delivers fresh, hot popcorn in just minutes, making it perfect for parties, movie nights, or quick snacks at home. The machine uses hot oil to ensure each kernel is evenly popped, providing delicious, crunchy popcorn with rich flavor. Designed with a non-stick surface, the popcorn maker is easy to clean, preventing kernels from sticking and reducing cleanup time. The spacious lid can be flipped over and used as a convenient serving bowl, allowing you to pop and serve in one step. Its nesting design allows for compact storage, making it easy to store in small kitchens without taking up much space. Enjoy fresh, fluffy and crunchy popcorn in just 3 minutes with the fast-heating electric popcorn maker. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Food Dehydrator. A multi-tier electric food dehydrator that can preserve varieties of food. Produces nutritious food with very simple preparation. No food will spoil and go to waste with this food preserver. Built with easy-to-use one operational button. Choose to dehydrate with just a click. Scientifically tested to increase food shelf life with high heat circulation that travels through each tray. Effectively dries food by removing moisture content, shrinking the food but still retain 97% of vitamins and minerals. Product link is given in the 31st link.